Today we wanna show you our newest ride on Jeep Buggy style electric car. Hope you enjoy it. Try this ride on Jeep Buggy style. It's realistic, powerful, and off-road truck. With this Evo wheel you can cruise everywhere with barely any restriction on terrain. This kid's ride on car will easily cross small mounds and blocks on law. Engine sound. Forward and reverse bottom. High and low speed. Music. Horn. Soft leather seats. Here, we show you how to activate your remote control for first time. Keep forward and reverse bottom at same time for 3 seconds, then, start the car. Here, you are done.
What's wrong, gang?
Now, if you really like this car, kindly order now and we offer you next day delivery, as long as you leave in UAE.